Hey friends, if you wish to stop Discord from opening on startup, which is a very irritating thing actually, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's simple. Search for Discord in the Windows search bar and open Discord. And then I'll show you the initial account, what it would look like. This is what the initial page looks like. You need to click on the user settings option, that gear like symbol. I'll show you once again this gear like symbol. And then scroll down and click on Windows settings. You'll find it in the list Windows settings. It's under the app settings section. You'll find this option for open Discord and it is under system startup behavior. So if you turn it off, this option will be disabled. And this is sufficient, but another way is through the task manager. So search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open the task manager window. Go to the startup tab, and if you find Discord in this list, I'll expand this. If you find Discord in this list, then right click on it and disable it. But we do not usually find Discord in this list for some reason. And we don't even find it in the settings app. I'll show you. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, go to install apps. I installed it recently, but I do not find it in the list here. So yes, this is the best method. Do it through the app itself. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.